enough voices of the real startups who are facing up to the challenges, and a no gyan, no story kind of conversations. So this is what it's going to be about. It's a conversation, and you guys are the folks who are going to talk about everything that is happening out here. So we talk about innovation, we talk about tools, we talk about patents, grants, survival techniques.
Prakash, please start.
And of course, you must talk
We'll
about
start
what you guys are
alphabetically.
up to also. So without delaying, please go ahead, take turns. There's no hard and fast rule. Introduce yourselves,
Yeah.
talk about your startups, talk about your innovation journey and everything that you guys are doing.
So essentially, I'm a co-founder of a company called Euprime. Euprime is in the business of manufacturing an IoT device, which is a non-contact health vitals device using radio waves. The health vitals that we measure are respiratory rate, heart rate, sleep quality, stress. This device can also be used in the home IoT space to do gesture recognition-based electrical appliances operation.
Yeah, so I run a company called Jodova. It's into the industrial IoT space. So we came up with that idea about 3 years ago, and coincidentally, when we started at that point, there were not a lot of companies who were doing industry-related, connecting all the equipments, and we wanted to do like an end-to-end connecting all the machines to all the way to the the central system.
Okay. So essentially, this is just a breakdown of general things to keep in mind if you're starting a company or trying to get some sort of strategic advantage, or some people call it moat. I mean, what specifically is a business model? It's essentially, a way for stakeholders in the company to make money. And people always, you have to think about all this right from the get-go. This is generally an instruction for people who are just starting out as to how you will make money in the first place, right? So in general understanding, there is something called balance sheet, you have assets and liabilities. The reason I show this to even technology entrepreneurs is people have to understand how a company makes money over a period of time. When I say over a period of time, over a period of 20 years, and people have a sort of a fuzzy understanding as to how entrepreneurs actually make money. One thing is valuation, but how does valuation comes to be? It's essentially, the earnings that you get and all the payments that you end up making, the retained earnings over a period of, let's say, 10 years, discounted back to present value, is your net worth.
Usually, I talk about
thanks.
technology a lot, and how technology can scale up, and what are the different stages of technology that we use, right? But since we're there's this theory that in a couple of years it will be mostly IoT and AI, which will predominantly surface, because there'll be like connected technologies and how you do the analytics on the connected technology. So that synergy is gonna form up. So I thought that I'll take this time to talk about a standard IoT platform, right? I mean, a lot of people when they talk about IoT, they're talking about like a device which is connected somewhere, whether it's your phone, whether it's your watch, or even if you're in an industrial platform, this is a device which will get connected to a machine, right? But that's where a lot of people, are facing a problem, because even if you look at bigger companies, even if you look at IBMs of the world, or Machine Metrics and other places, other players, they all provide a cloud-based solution. Even GE and Microsoft, they're all providing a cloud-based solution.